Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company. We're out here with another very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1975 Kawasaki Z1B in Candy Super Red, and this one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets for this one are £2.99, and the competition will be drawn on the 21st of December 2025, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So as you can see, it's one in fantastic condition. Thousands of pounds have been spent on this restoration. It's in this really beautiful Candy Super Red. There were two colour choices at the time. You could have Candy Super Blue or Super Red. Obviously, this one's been restored recently to Super Red, which I think is really cool because you don't see many Kawasaki's in red. They're mostly in green. Engine's all been fully rebuilt, all the electrics. Clock's been refurbished, complete new exhaust system. So yeah, fantastic condition. It's probably near show condition, I'd say. So what we'll do now, start her up. We have warmed the bike up. We did this because it was very cold and Kawasaki's do take a little while to warm up anyway. So you just be watching me for like 3 or 4 minutes revving a bike, which you might like or might not, I'm not sure, but I thought we'd do that first. So we've got our fuel tap on. We don't need the choke because we've warmed it up. You will still see some condensation come out of the exhaust because it is very cold today. So all we need to do is hit the button. And fire up just like that. I'll give you a little listen to the engine. It's really nice and smooth. And a little listen to the exhaust. There we are. Not much more to say, but who wins this bike will be absolutely chuffed. So like I said, this is for £2.99 a ticket, 21st of December, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. If you do enter, thank you for all your support, and as always, good luck. One more rev.